Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is going to be a fish belly. I'm doing a tutorial using blue because it's going to be much easier to see than it is in this black. It's a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches, melted together to form a loop, connected to make your core. All paracord used is 4 mil thick. I believe we're using blue. It's 60 inches long. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a lighter, and a presser. Well, let's get to it. And here we go. Now, go through your cow hitch, right through. We're more likely going to be using some fids toward the end as it gets tight. Center. And let's just get started. Alright. Doesn't matter which side you start on. I always start on the right. Cross to the middle. On the left side. Down to the middle again. Now, on the right side, come up between 3 and 4. On the left side, come up between 1 and 2. Right a little bit. Now, right side, down in the middle, cross to the left. Left side, down, cross to the right. That's the whole pattern right there. Yep. Anyway, from the right side, over, down to the middle, to the left. Left side, over, down to the middle, cross to the right. Now, right side, come up between 3 and 4. Left side, come up between 1 and 2. Excuse me. Right, cross, down, in the middle, to the left. Left, down to the middle, cross to the right.